gonna talk about how you could and why you should use a glue gun when working on your paintings. There's just one or two little tricks that I'm gonna show you how to do so you can do it right and do it great. And then you guys can start painting, incorporating your glue gun with your paintings. It's really cool, I promise. Remember, what you're about to see is real. Let me show you what you're gonna need to get started on your project. We're gonna make a tree out of glue. What this is gonna do for our picture is it's just gonna give it a lot of texture. And then we're gonna paint that. First thing you need to get started on this project is your canvas. You can do it on paper or canvas or whatever you want to do it on. We have selected a nice canvas. The next thing you're going to be needing is your glue gun. We're gonna be using two different kinds. We've got a regular size glue gun, like so. And we've also got a mini glue gun, and we're gonna use both of them and create our tree. We need our glue. So what we've got for the regular size glue gun, our standard regular size glue, but what I've got for the mini gun is
like rope. A glue rope.
It's a glue rope. It is 5 feet of glue. Bear in mind, if you're doing a large canvas like ours, you're gonna need a lot of glue. I tend to use 10 to 12 feet worth of glue on most of my projects, and you'll see how we use up every little bit of that. What else do we need? A Mod Podge. What this is it's kind of like a crafting glue, but what we're gonna do is we are going to paint our glue with this once the glue has dried and just give it some texture so that the paint sticks better. And then of course the last thing you're gonna need is your paints, because paint, it's a painting, right? So we've selected a handful of different kinds of paints that we're gonna layer on there, and you'll see how we do that along the way. So here we go. Hope you guys enjoy the ride, I guess. And then slowly it just kind of starts to take shape, and you can do whatever you want, make it any shape you want, make it your own. Once you are satisfied with the things that you have, what you're going to want to do is go through and just kind of pick out the spider webs before you move on to putting in the Mod Podge and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and call it pretty good and Mod Podge it. What would happen if you were to paint the glue itself without putting in some kind of layer is the paint would crack and dry and come off of the glue, and anytime you bumped it or whatever, flakes would come off. It's just, the two don't bond very well. So what we need is a bond, and we're gonna use Mod Podge to create that. It's kind of like a clear glue layer that is going to just help the paint stick better. So let's go ahead and paint on that Mod Podge.
You want to dab. You don't want to like spread. You want to just dab your glue, and you want to make sure you get down into every crevice so that you're covering any place that the paint is going to be, because you want your paint to stick everywhere. So after you're done applying all of your Mod Podge, you want to make sure you let it dry thoroughly before you apply any paint.
What you have at this point is a canvas that is textured with the hot glue. So this allows you a few extra opportunities for unique painting like black washing, and I'll go ahead and link all the paints that I use down in the description. Basically what I'm gonna do is give it a coat of gold and then do some washes over it, and I'm just gonna let this play and show you guys what I do, and I'll just stop talking. So there you go. That's what we have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. Did you learn something new?
I did. All of that was new.
Yeah, so that's how you make glue gun art. Follow us for more tips on arts and crafts.
Try new things.
Yeah, that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check us out on Facebook. Leave a link to our Facebook below. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day.